Today I'm fixing this rail dent on a brand new 2025 Cadillac Escalade. It got dented on the way to the dealership. The customer has not seen this dent yet, has not picked up the car. Here's the dent. If you ask me, it looks like a big old forearm dent, but who knows? So anyway, we can glue pull this. There's no access with a tool from the underside, so it's all glue pull. Starting with my slide hammer, pull the bulk of the dent out. And we go with our smaller tabs for some fine tuning. Pick out the smaller lows. And then we just tap down the high spots, do a little blending, just some more fine tuning. And here's the final product. No paint, no Bondo, no body shop. Good as new.